In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube video to a school classroom lesson. If you already have a video uploaded to YouTube, this process is very quick and straightforward. The main idea is to grab the correct video link from YouTube, open the lesson you want to update inside your school admin area, and then place that link into the lesson's video field so the content displays properly for your students. To begin, go to YouTube and locate the video you want to use. Make sure the video is either public or unlisted, since those visibility settings will allow it to be accessed through your lesson. Once you've confirmed that, copy the full URL of that YouTube video. It's a good idea to double check that you copied the exact link for the correct video before moving on, especially if you manage multiple uploads. Next, log into your school community admin dashboard. This is where you'll manage your classroom content and make edits to your lessons. After you're inside the dashboard, navigate to the classroom section. Here, you'll see the lessons and modules that make up your course or training area. Find the specific lesson where you want the YouTube video to appear and open it. Once you're in the lesson, click Edit so you can make changes to the lesson content. This will bring up the editing interface where you can update different parts of the lesson. Now look for the video module link field. This is the area where Skool expects the video URL to be pasted. Take the YouTube link you copied earlier and paste it directly into that field. In most cases, you won't need to do anything extra beyond pasting the link exactly as it appears. Using the direct YouTube URL helps Skool pull in the correct video for that lesson. After that, save your changes. This final step is important because if you leave the page without saving, the video may not be added to the lesson. Once saved, your lesson should now be connected to the YouTube video you selected. As a helpful tip, after saving, it's worth quickly reviewing the lesson to make sure the correct video appears and everything looks the way you expect. That simple check can help you catch the wrong link or a formatting issue right away. And that's it. You've successfully added a YouTube video to a school classroom lesson using the video link field.